Myself Kadir Khan. Today I will teach you class first subtraction. Previous video I discussed addition. Today I will discuss about subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. Suppose I have 5 ice creams and I gave 2 ice creams, or I gave 2 ice creams to my friend. Now this is a process of subtraction. That means give away. Subtraction. Take an example. I have 5 balls. I have 5 balls. And 1 ball gave my younger brother. 1 ball gave my younger brother. How many balls gave? 1 ball gave my younger brother. And again 2 balls gave my sister. 2 balls gave my sister. 2 balls gave my sister. Then how many balls left with me? Let's count 1 and 2. How many balls left with me? 1, 2. 2 balls. Taken another example. There are some flowers. There are some flowers. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 flowers. I have 4 flowers. And I gave 2 flowers to my friend. 2 flowers to my friend. 2 flowers, then 1, 2. How many left? I have 2 flowers with me. Now I have 2 flowers with me. Is that clear? Good. Another example.
फार्मूला बताना a plus b का पेपर a2 plus b2 minus 3ab plus b
a2 plus b2 plus c
This one
plus
ice cream.
plus c under bracket a square.
There are some ice creams. There are some ice creams. How many ice creams? Let's count. 1, one ice cream. How many ice creams left with me? Let's count. 1, 2. I have 2 ice creams left with me. There are some triangles. There are some triangles. How many triangles? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Write down 6. Two triangles. Sorry, 3 triangles. Rough. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles left there? Count it. 1, 2 and 3. That means 6. Take away 3 is equals to 3. 6 take away 3 is equals to 3. There are some chocolates. How many chocolates? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I gave 2 chocolates to my friend. I gave 2 chocolates to my friend. Then take away 2. How many? 2. 1, 2. Then how many left with me? Let's count. 1, 2. Then how many left? Is equals to 2. Do you know? Take away instead of minus sign. Now I am going to minus sign instead of take away. Minus sign instead of take away. Let's watch. 4 takes away instead of minus 2 is equals to 2. Is that clear? Another example. Some rectangles. There are some rectangles. How many rectangles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 rectangles. Take away 2 rectangles. Take away 2 rectangles. But I am going to write minus sign instead of take away. minus 2. How many? Minus 2. 1, 2. How many triangles left with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Then 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. We know a more way to write this subtraction. Let's watch. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Another way to subtraction. Again, there are some marbles. How many marbles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many marbles? 8. I gave 2 marbles to my friend. I gave 2 marbles to my friend. 2 marbles. Then 8, 2 marbles, then minus sign. 8 minus 2. 2 marbles, then 1, 2. Is that clear? Yes. Then 8 minus 2 is equals to, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many marbles? 6. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. And another way, 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Is equals to 6. Minus 3. 6 minus 3. First of all, let's draw 6 objects like marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. How many marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. Then minus 3. Minus 3. Then 1, 2, 3. That means take away 3. How many marbles left with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That means 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Eight minus 0. 8 minus 0. First of draw 8 objects like triangles. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many triangles I drew? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. take away 0. 0 is previous I discussed, 0 is nothing, no more objects. 0 is no more objects. So 0 is no more object. Then 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. Understand? Yes. Seven minus 2. Let's count finger. This is finger method. Fingers method. Let's count finger and take away this one. How many numbers? This one 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. Then 7 fingers. And how many left or take away? 2. 1, 2. How many left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Eight minus 4. Again count fingers and then write down. How many numbers? This number 8. Then count fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number is 8. And how many fingers take away? 4 fingers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many fingers left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Five minus 5. 5 minus 5. Again count fingers and left away this fingers, then left with me and write down this number 5. Then count 5 more fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers and left 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left with me? Nothing. Then 5 minus 5 is equals to nothing. Nothing means 0. Understand? Yes. And take an example. 4 minus of 3. 4 minus 3. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number 4 and fingers 4. How many fingers left? 3 fingers. Then 1, 2, 3. How many fingers left with me? Only 1. Is that clear? Now I will teach you missing character. I will teach you missing character. Let's watch. 5 minus box is equals to 3. 5 minus blank or box is equals to 3. How will solve this? Let's. How many numbers is here? 5 numbers, and answer is 3. Middle, box or blank. First off, I draw 5 objects. 5 objects. How many? 5. Then I draw 5 marbles, 5 ice creams, 5 balls, and etc. 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls here. And answer is 3. Then take away 3 balls. Take away 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. How many balls left? How many balls? Let's count. 1, 2. Then the answer is 2. That means 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Another example. 8 minus of is equals to 6. No. Here 5. 8 minus box is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Similarly, I draw 8 more objects, then take away and so on. First off, I draw 8 objects. That means 8 triangles. Take triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I draw 8 triangles. I draw 8 triangles and take away 5 triangles. Take away 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because answer is 5. Then take away 5 triangles. How many triangles left with me? 1, 2, 3. Then 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Box minus 2 is equals to 3. Box minus 2 is equals to 3. Here, first part, box or blank minus 2 is equals to 3. How will solve this? First of all, I draw 3 objects, or means answer 3. Then I draw, first I draw 3 objects, like 3 flowers, 3 flowers, and here 2 and 2 more flowers I draw. count all together and write there. Let's count all together and write here. Let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many flowers altogether? 5. Then 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Another example like that. Box minus 4 is equals to 0. 4 box minus 4 is equals to 0. First of all, answer is 0 and this number 4. First draw any objects and count all together and write here. 0 means nothing, no more objects, and 4, I draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Then count all together and write here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Now I will discuss about matching by the process of subtraction. Matching this column to this column. Help of finger method. Help of fingers method. First of one, 3 minus 1. Count, first count how many fingers? How many numbers? 3. Then count first 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many take away? 1. Then 1. How many left with me? 1, 2. Then 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. First 5, second one 2. I found 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 and here 2. Then match. Second one 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. 1, 2, 3 and minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How many left with me? Nothing. Nothing means no more fingers. That means 0. 0, 5, 4 and 0. I found 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Now 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Again count fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that clear? And how many fingers left? 5 fingers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left with me? 1 finger. Then 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Find out 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. 5, 4, 1. I found 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Then match it. Next one, 8 minus 4. Similarly, I count fingers and take away fingers and how many left with me, then match it. Yes. First of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And left. Take away 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. I find 5, 4. That was 4. Then match this side. Last one, 9 minus 4. 9. Similarly, I count fingers and take away fingers and left with me and then match. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers and how many fingers left with me? 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. Then 5 is there 5. Then match this one 5. Is that clear? Yes. I hope you will understand subtraction. The remaining part of this chapter, that means multiplication. I will discuss the remaining part next video. Thank you. Have a